The first industry segment of great importance is aerospace defense, which has long been a cornerstone of the region's economy. With substantial contract spending from the Department of Defense, this sector has been instrumental in providing a considerable economic boost. In 2021, Sedgwick County received more than $540 million in contract spending from the Department of Defense. This accounted for 35% of the total allocation for the state. Some of the top recipients of these contracts were leading technology composites, Bombardier, Textron, and General Electric. Over the years, defense contract spending in Kansas has exceeded $1.5 billion and has been growing at the rate of 17% annually since 2016. To put it into perspective, this spending amounts to approximately $1,260 per person in the state. This growth in the defense sector has a stimulating effect on the economy as it supports income generation, research and development activities, and benefits other firms and organizations like NIAR, National Institute for Aviation Research. A prominent player in this industry is Bombardier, a company renowned for its significant contributions to the aerospace and defense sectors.
We've been in Wichita for over 30 years, and Learjet itself existed for 30 years prior to that, so we have long, deep roots in the local economy. In more recent times, as we've seen the market transition, we made the decision to end the Learjet product line, but we replaced it with a defense business. So Bombardier is now expanding into the defense marketplace, converting our business aircraft into military surveillance platforms, communication platforms, and we've identified Wichita as the ideal location for that activity. This is really because of the local workforce. We've developed a great capability and competency over the 30 years of our presence in Wichita, and so we're using that as the springboard to launch Bombardier Defense in Wichita as our US headquarters. So the growth of the defense business is really driven by the changing circumstances in the world today. The geopolitics of Europe and Ukraine and of the Indonesian Pacific region, you can see are driving lots of demand from not only the US government, but also from international governments. So we expect that as Bombardier Defense grows, we have the demand for not only the services of engineers, technicians, quality inspectors, procurement professionals, we also expect to reach out into the extended supply chain. We will need parts, we'll need components. So this really is a growth opportunity that is not just for Bombardier Defense or even just the Wichita economy. It is almost Kansas-wide and will benefit the whole nation. Converting these products into defense articles requires highly skilled labor. We need engineers, we need technicians, mechanics, we need quality inspectors. We need the entire range of skills and disciplines normally associated with the aerospace industry. But we also need people who have got defense backgrounds. So we're now looking for people who are maybe transitioning veterans, coming out of the armed services, bringing their experience into our industry to help us develop those customized defense products. As well as the manufacturing organizations and the engineering organizations, all of the support organizations benefit. Fabrication, procurement, services, and the incidental benefit into other industries, simple consumables of supplies in the factory. Even just bringing our customers to the city for visits, we're going to drive activity in the hotel and the entertainment industries. So this really does have an impact across the whole local economy. To give a sense of scale, the Bombardier Defense aspiration is to grow to $1 billion per year in revenue over the coming years. A large part of that revenue will take place in Wichita.